Amazon Bedrock Flows introduces preview of long-running execution and inline code support. Amazon has announced a preview release of new capabilities for Amazon Bedrock Flows, designed to enhance the development and scalability of generative AI workflows. Bedrock Flows allows users to orchestrate foundation models, FMs, prompts, agents, knowledge bases, guardrails, and other AWS services into structured workflows. With this update, Amazon is introducing support for persistent execution of long-running workflows and inline code execution, addressing key developer pain points. Previously, users faced limitations such as a 2-minute idle timeout per workflow step, a reliance on custom API-based monitoring, and the need to build Lambda functions for even simple data processing. The new features remove these bottlenecks by extending step execution time to 15 minutes, adding built-in execution tracking in the AWS Management Console, no custom code required, and introducing a new inline-code node that lets developers write and run Python scripts directly within a workflow, eliminating the need for Lambda in basic tasks. These enhancements are designed to streamline the workflow creation and monitoring process, enabling developers to build complex generative AI applications more efficiently. Availability: long-running executions are available in all commercial AWS regions that support Bedrock Flows. The inline-code node is initially available in US East N, Virginia, US West Oregon, and Europe Frankfurt. To get started, refer to the Amazon Bedrock Flows documentation. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share the video. See you next time.